Hello friends, how you doing? So today I'm going to do a review on some microfiber towels I got from Moe Nation. Now, I want to kind of show you these towels because they're really thick and they feel really good. So while I'm doing this detail, I'm going to use them and see how well they do. I usually use at least 4 towels on the cleaner vehicles, and that would be this. So what I'm going to do is start with 2. Now I got the blue and I got the orange. There's 2 different colors in the package. I don't know if they're any different, but if they are, we're going to find out. Let's get started. I'm just going to use this blue towel and see what kind of result we get. It's not too awful dirty. I am really liking these towels. They're not getting so soaked because the moisture is able to disperse throughout the towel. Okay, let's check out the orange one. I think it's going to be the same. They really do feel and look alike, and I think it'll be the same. I'm really liking this towel. These towels, I really like these. I like how they're going further. And this car is not that dirty. As you can see, there's only one dirty spot, but the towel is going further. That's a good thing. I am loving these towels. Mo, you did a good job finding these. These are excellent towels. I really like them. The thickness, they are holding moisture, but not on such a, it's dispersing. It's not concentrated in one area. Well, let me tell you, I like these towels. I do like these towels. This is one of those things you can open up the box and start using them and give your thoughts. Now, obviously, it's not a really dirty vehicle, but these did great. Let me tell you why I say that. These towels are thinner, all right? There's nothing to them. They're thinner. So when they get wet, they stay wet in that one spot, okay? So, and these are really good for windows. But these, the moisture seems to distribute throughout the towel. So I like that because I can still use it. You know what I mean? So even if it's not that dirty, but the moisture gets on throughout the towel, I can continue to use it. If it gets dirty, obviously I can't, but I really like these, and the thickness is awesome. I like that. In fact, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I'm going to use a couple of more on the exterior. This vehicle is getting ready to be polished and ceramic coated in the next 30 to 45 days or so. And I want to see how these do, because I really like them. They're plush. I like them. I like them. Mo, I don't know where you found these, but we need more. We need more of these. Look at that. These are like really thick. I mean, they're not some of these thin ones. In fact, here. See how thin these are compared to these? These are so thick, and these are really thin. Crazy, but I like them. So, if you're looking for some microfiber towels, I bought 25 for $25. So, go ahead and order you a package. Get them in, try them out. This may be something that you want to try. I wanted to try these, because when I saw them, I was like, okay, that's video, so they can't be that good. They are that good. So, just so you know, I would at least give them a try. $25 for a package of 25. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but believe me, you're getting really good towels. I like these. I do like these. These are peachy. I like these. I wasn't quite sure. You know, the video, I'm thinking it's just video. You know how video makes us look 500 pounds heavier? I was thinking the same thing about microfiber towels. Too bad it's just me. Have a good one, everybody. Good job, Mo.